Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or turn off roaming assistant automatically adds country or region code to calls. So these settings on your mobile phone roaming assistance automatically adds the right country or region codes to calls mid while traveling. Then I'll show you on how to modify the settings, and let's get started. So all you have to do is to open up your phone app on this page and then click. And then once you open up, and then you need to click the three dotted icons on the top right corner. So this is the more option settings, and then click again. And the next step, then you need now to select this, the settings gear button, and then click again. And here at call settings, and then you need to scroll down and select this other call settings, and then click. And here at other call settings, and then you need now to select this roaming assistant. So before to select other options here, we need to first to enable by clicking this button on the right side, and then we need to enable. And then once you enabled, and then you need to tap again this roaming assistant. And then here at roaming assistant, then you can see now it's already enabled, and then we can choose now other option here. So roaming assistance automatically adds the right country or region code to calls made while traveling. So we have three options here that we need to choose. It depends on your preferences. So we have automatically add country region code when calling contacts you've called before. And the other ones always add code of country region you're located in, or the last one as for each call. So it depends on your preferences, and then you need to choose or select this option here at roaming assistant. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide you on mobile settings. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for mobile phone tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.